Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300. This one's a steel gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one has the sports body styling, 17-inch alloy wheels, almond beige MB text interior with a burl walnut trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, C300, 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This C-Class has 71,302 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300, visit us at feldmanimports.com.